Imagine stepping into a home where every corner feels warm, peaceful, and full of charm. A place where natural wood, soft linen, vintage treasures, and handmade touches come together to create a space that never goes out of style. Welcome! In today's video, we are exploring the beauty of timeless cottage home decorating. Discover classic decorating ideas, cozy styling tips, and simple ways to fill your home with comfort, character, and elegance that last for years. Whether you are decorating a tiny cottage, a country home, or simply want to bring cottage charm into your living space, these inspiring ideas will help you create a home that's both inviting and timeless. So grab your favorite cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's step into the timeless beauty of cottage living. Here are some practical tips to create a timeless cottage home that feels warm, elegant, and inviting. Decorate with natural textures. Mix wood, linen, cotton, wicker, jute, and wool throughout your home. Layering natural materials adds warmth without making the space feel busy. Choose furniture with simple, classic lines. Instead of trendy furniture, invest in pieces with clean shapes and sturdy construction. A solid wood dining table or a slab-covered sofa never goes out of style. Create a collected look. Rather than buying matching decor sets, gradually collect meaningful items such as vintage frames, handmade pottery, old books, wooden baskets, and family heirlooms. Use soft, layered lighting. Combine table lamps, floor lamps, wall sconces, and candles to create a warm glow. Decorate with seasonal greenery. Display fresh flowers in spring, wildflowers in summer, dried grasses in autumn, and evergreen branches in winter. This keeps your home feeling fresh all year. Style open shelves thoughtfully. Leave some empty space between decorative objects. Mix practical items like dishes and mugs with small plants, vintage pictures, and framed artwork. Bring in handmade touches. Crochet blankets, knitted cushions, handmade quilts, embroidered table runners, or woven baskets add personality and make the home feel unique. Use antique style metals. Choose finishes such as antique brass, aged bronze, matte black, or brushed nickel for cabinet handles, light fixtures, and facades. This finishes is gracefully. Style open shelves thoughtfully. Leave some empty space between decorative objects. Mix practical items like dishes and mugs with small plants, vintage pictures, and framed artwork. Use open storage. Store blankets, magazines, toys, or firewood in open baskets. They provide practical storage while adding natural texture. Decorate with vintage-inspired mirrors. Mirrors with distressed wood or antique-style frames reflect light and make rooms feel brighter and more spacious. Mix different wood tones. Don't worry about matching every wood finish. Combining light oak, warm walnut, and weathered pine creates a natural, collected over time appearance. Display everyday items beautifully. Keep attractive ceramic bowls, wooden cutting boards, glass jars, and animal pictures on display. Functional items can also become part of the decor. Add handmade crochet pages. Incorporate crochet cushion covers, table runners, blankets, or wall hangings. Handmade textiles bring warmth and authenticity, making the cottage style feel truly personal. Use fresh scents. A timeless cottage home should smell as welcoming as it looks. Use scented candles, dried lavender, eucalyptus, or fresh flowers to create a relaxing atmosphere. Decorate with botanical art. Hang framed botanical prints, watercolor flowers, or nature inspired artwork. These classic pieces never go out of style. Add copper or brush accents. Copper pots, brushed candle holders, vintage style pockets, and antique trays add warmth and elegance without overpowering the room. Make the entryway welcoming. Place a wooden bench, open basket, coat hooks, and a small vase of seasonal flowers near the entrance to create a warm first impression. Keep countertops simple. Avoid clutter by displaying only a few beautiful essentials, such as a ceramic utensil holder, a wooden cutting board, and a small plant. Decorate with vintage glass. Use clear or colored glass bottles, jars, and vases to display flowers or simply as decorative accents on shelves and windowsills. Celebrate the seasons naturally. Refresh your decor with simple seasonal touches. Spring, tulips, daffodils, pastel linens. Summer, wildflowers, wicker baskets, light fabrics. Autumn, pumpkins, dried wheat, cozy blankets. Winter, pine branches, candles, evergreen trees. Choose white as your foundation. Paint walls, cream or larger furniture in warm white or cream. This creates a bright backdrop that works with every season. Mix open and closed storage. Display attractive items on open shelves while keeping everyday clutter hidden in cabinets, baskets, or drawers. Include own well-loved pieces. Don't replace every piece of furniture. A gently aged wooden stool or vintage cabinet adds authentic character. Decorate windows naturally. Keep window treatments light and simple so sunlight becomes part of the decor. Add a small potted plant or flowers on the windowsill. Focus on comfort first. The most timeless cottage homes are designed for everyday living. Choose soft seating, cozy blankets, supportive cushions, and practical layouts that invite people to relax. Add character with vintage dressers. Instead of modern storage units, choose painted or natural wood dressers with classic knobs. They provide both charm and practical storage. Layer different fabrics. Combine linen, cotton, wool, velvet, and crochet pages in same room. The variety of textures makes the space feel rich and cozy. Embrace imperfection. Small scratches on wood, aged finishes, and handcrafted details add authenticity. Cottage style celebrates a home that is loved and lived in. Use soft, earthy colors along with whites and creams. Introduce muted olive green, dusty blue, warm taupe, soft terracotta, or gentle mustard in small accents like cushions, straws, or pottery. Thanks for watching the video.